Hey guys, so welcome back. I'm actually starting a new series on my channel and it's going to cover full stack web development. And this is going to be an extremely beginner friendly course. I mean, if you even haven't heard about web development before, this course is actually for you. And even if you are some seasoned developers and are actually making some websites of your own, I guarantee you that you would find some new things in this course. I mean, surely in the starting of the course, you might find one or two things that you already know. But once we pick up the pace and we actually go on to some advanced stuff and I start teaching the common practices and the common mistakes that amateur developers make. So I'm sure that you would learn some new things in the course. I will be teaching you web development from scratch. Alright, that is writing your own HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I mean for starters. And then we would move on to some more frameworks and how to use backend servers. But that's some advanced stuff, and before we move on to that, you actually need to know how to actually write HTML and CSS and see how actual websites could look like when you are writing one of your own. So if you're one of those people who actually know a little bit about coding and know one or two languages, that is C++ or Java, because those are the most common languages that are taught in high school, and now you want to up your game a little bit, alright? So you want to take your coding to the next level, alright? So this is the next level. Because what I would advise every beginner programmer to do after he learns some basic concepts of programming and has a grasp of one or two languages, to move on to full stack web development, alright? Because this would give you an actual taste of what an industry level project would look like, or what you would actually work with once you join an industry and actually work on a project. Because you would be working with the front end and actual back-end APIs with a back-end server. So this course will actually mark the starting point of your journey till an actual software developer at a renowned company. And I assure you that after completing this course, you can easily bag one or two internships or even jobs by just listing down your skills that you learned from this course in your resume and the projects that you will be making in this course. So if you are as excited as I am to take your coding to the next level and bag that first internship / job, so get ready with your coding hoodies, cause it's full stack time. Oh yeah, and keep chilling at the CodeCove.